Hello, everyone. My name is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today, we are going to transform improper fractions to mixed numbers. Let's see improper fractions as compared to proper fractions as unfair fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. The following examples will be changed to mixed numbers. And when we change them to mixed numbers, think big numerator, small denominator, then we divide. And so as you can see, we can look at the case right here of 67 divided by 9. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to work it out over here on the side because it'll give me plenty of room. And so we can see that 67 divided by 9 will look just like this. 67 divided by 9. It is not 9 divided by 67. It is 67 divided by 9. We would read it inside out, and we know that 9 goes into 67 7 times, actually, because 9 times 7 is 63. And as you can see right here, and I'll make this look more like a 7 by putting that line there, 67 minus 63 will give us 4. Okay, and so from this example, we will see that the 7 is our whole number, and this 4 is our remainder, and remainders are actually numerators, and the 9 stays in the denominator position. And so as you can see, 67 ninths is actually equal to 7 4 ninths. All right, and so what I like to do, I like to go ahead and continue with this. And I'm just going to erase right here, erase this portion, because we're going to do a new one. Do our next one, which would be 56 divided by 51 rather, divided by 6. And we're just going to put 51 inside the box, 6 on the outside, read it inside out, 51 divided by 6, because it is read this way right here, 51 divided by 6. And as you can see, 6 goes into 51 8 times, because 6 times 8 is 48, and that's the closest we can get to 51 without going over 51. And without crossing out numbers or anything like that, let's keep it neat. We can say that 51 minus 48 will give us 3. And so right here in our example, we have 8 3/6. However, your teacher at this stage, when you're converting improper fractions to mixed numbers, will want you to simplify. And so let's simplify 3/6. And the good news is that when the numerator is 1/2 of the denominator, it'll always simplify to 1/2. And I can prove that to you because 3 goes into itself 3 times, and 3 goes into 6 as well, 3 times. So we can divide both numbers by 3. And so what's going to happen is that I'm just going to put it over here, and we will see that 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 8 3/6 is actually 8 1/2. Okay, so as we continue explaining how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, we can get an idea of how fractions and mixed numbers work together, actually. And that will be another video that I'm going to show the relationship between the two and how you can actually go from a mixed number back into an improper fraction. But in the meantime, let's work out 43/5. And we'll just read it like this. 43 divided by 5 is actually 43 in the box divided by 5. And it's amazing that 5 will still be in the denominator. And so let's go ahead and work this out. We know that 5 goes into 43 8 times, because 5 times 8 is 40. (43) minus 40 is 3. And again, right here, we have 8 as our whole number. We have 3 as our remainder, which will also serve as our numerator, and 5 will remain as the denominator. And that's what we have right here. And this will be a good time. Okay, at any time during the video, pause, take notes, and put in your notebook. But in the meantime, it would be a good idea for you to like and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook. And until next time, have a great day. Goodbye.